Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's shaping the future of transportation, electric vehicles and AI technology. From self-driving cars to intelligent battery management, let's explore how these innovations are revolutionizing the way we travel. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are becoming increasingly popular. These cars are powered by electric motors instead of internal combustion engines, making them more environmentally friendly. EVs produce zero emissions, reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, and offer a quieter, smoother ride. The core of an EV is its battery pack, which stores electricity to power the vehicle. Advances in battery technology have significantly increased the range and efficiency of modern EVs, making them a viable alternative to traditional cars. But what makes EVs even more exciting is the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI enhances various aspects of electric vehicles, from autonomous driving to intelligent energy management. One of the most talked about applications of AI in EVs is autonomous driving. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are developing self-driving cars that use AI algorithms to process data from sensors, cameras, and radar systems. These AI-driven systems can make real-time decisions, ensuring safer and more efficient driving. AI also plays a crucial role in optimizing battery performance. Machine learning algorithms analyze driving patterns, weather conditions, and battery health to predict the most efficient charging and discharging cycles. This not only extends the battery life, but also enhances the overall efficiency of the vehicle. AI-powered features are transforming the driving experience. Smart dashboards with voice assistants can help you navigate, control entertainment, and even manage your schedule without taking your hands off the wheel. Connectivity features allow your car to communicate with other devices, providing a seamless and integrated user experience. Moreover, AI enables over-the-air updates, where software improvements and new features can be downloaded directly to your vehicle. This ensures that your car remains up to date with the latest advancements in technology. The benefits of AI-enhanced EVs are clear: reduced emissions, lower operating costs, and a more enjoyable driving experience. However, there are challenges to overcome. The development of robust AI systems requires significant investment in research and infrastructure. Additionally, issues like data privacy, cybersecurity, and the need for widespread charging networks need to be addressed. Despite these challenges, the progress made so far is promising. Governments and private companies are investing heavily in the necessary infrastructure and technology to support the widespread adoption of electric vehicles and AI. Looking ahead, the future of transportation is incredibly exciting. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced autonomous driving systems, smarter energy management solutions, and new features that will make our lives easier and our commutes more enjoyable. The combination of electric vehicles and AI technology holds the promise of cleaner, safer, and more efficient transportation systems. This is just the beginning of a new era in mobility. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of transportation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech innovations. Let us know in the comments what you think about electric vehicles and AI technology. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.
Yeah, you